Okay, we're going to take a look at this Team Associated RC10 car. I believe it's from the 90s. I'm not certain though of the actual date of manufacture of this car. First thing to mention, it does not come with a battery charger. No battery charger included for the battery here. It does come with the radio, Futaba Magnum Sport. The battery terminals on the radio are clean. Batteries are not included. It takes 8 AA batteries. The car itself, the body has a lot of wear. As you can see, it's been used pretty good bit, cracked up in a few spots and whatnot. So that's what that is. The car itself does run, as you can see in the demo video after this, or before this, not sure where I'm going to put it. The battery is new. It's been used exactly one time. So that is good. The car functions and it's ready to run, provided you have a battery charger. No issues with that. There's not really any glaring defects with the car. It is an older car, so you may have to adjust things or clean things up, or something might wear out soon since it is older. But like I said, it does run. I'll go ahead and show you the main drive motor and the servos working now. And like I said, you can also see it running in the field. Do I have it connected? Oh, I don't have the battery connected. That would help. There we go. All right, forward. Reverse sometimes is a little glitchy. Okay, see, sometimes it doesn't. No problem at all with forward. The servos. Okay, that is just a demonstration of the operation of the car. You can see I dumped out some leaves and stuff from when I was testing it the other day at the park. So yeah, that's the RC10. Thanks for watching.